Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video we will explore running API commands directly on the gateway this time. We will walk through the process of showing interface information using these commands and look into how to parse and extract the specific information we need. For example, the interface status, up or down or something like that. By the end of this video, we will have a clear understanding of how to effectively use API commands to parse the info we need. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to check if the user is enabled to use the Gaia API, and that we can check the RPA. So show RPA user admin. We can see here that the admin user has the access to Gaia API. But if the user does not have the access, so we need to enable that. We go to expert mode and we run this command. So Gaia API access user admin enable true. This way, if the user was not enabled, this way it will be enabled. So then how to show the interfaces? We can use this command. So before showing our interfaces, we need to generate the sid.txt file to avoid typing the username and password every time. So we can use this command here to generate that, and now we can show our interfaces with this command. So show interfaces, and here we can see that some interfaces, for example ETH3 is enabled false, so it's down, and this interface, the loopback interface, is up. Okay, so how we can choose all the interfaces that are false, enabled false, and make them true. So we can, first we need to parse the enabled false, and we can do that by this command here. So here we need to only to add the sid file so that we don't need to. So this command will parse all objects and find only the enabled, so the enabled value, and in this case enabled value is false, and here it's true. So press enter here, and now we can see all the results. So we have two interfaces true, up, and we have four interfaces down, false. But to be able to take the false to true, we need to parse only false, and for that we can use this command here, and now will show us only the hosts or the interfaces with the false state. So we can see here that ETH1, 2, 3, 4 have the state of false. So now we need to create a new variable, put that result in the variable. So we can take, for example, interface state equals $, open parentheses, and put the same command inside parentheses. Center there. Now we can check our variable, $, interface state, like this, and we can see it includes the four interfaces. So now we need to send this variable to a loop, for loop, and it will loops inside the variable every interface and change the state from false to true. So now we will use this for loop to loop inside the our variable. So we test here. So enabling interface, first one, enabling ETH2, 3, 4, and it's done. So now we can check again our interfaces with the false. Like this, this command, password, and we can see that all interfaces are true. So all interfaces are up. So now I have showed how to do this, but you need to do this not this way, but we can create a script, one file, one text file, and run it, and it will do all the steps. So I showed step by step, but we can put it all in one script file, and we will do that in the next video. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.